Hey there and welcome. We're at 763 Franklin Street, just in the heart of Chinatown in Oakland. This is apartment 424. So we'll go ahead and step on inside. Got a nice sized kitchen in here, lots and lots of cabinetry. Dishwasher as well, and induction stove. And then we have a huge, enormous living room, dining room area. Beautifully newly painted walls. I love this color of green. Just makes me think of spring. So pretty. If we look outside, we'll get a little view of the patio here. Beautiful Japanese maple. And then we've got an office just off to the side. Could also be used as another bedroom, probably if you like. Closet, nice little amount of space. Really nice, we've got the sliding doors here in order to close it off. And then we'll go ahead and step on down the hallway. Nice sized bedroom, closet as well. Again, looking over into the courtyard, really, really nice and quiet. It's very, very peaceful here. And we'll go ahead and we'll step on into this master bedroom. Again, still looking over the courtyard, really, really nice and quiet. Beautiful floors, all has just been repainted. Closets on either side, and then we can go ahead and step on into the master bathroom. Shower tub combination and single sink. We have another bathroom here. This one is just across the way from the other bedroom. Again, same combination here. So shower tub, single sink. Teensy bit smaller, but not all that much. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step back out here, just so we can get another nice big view. It's such a gorgeous day too. I'm so glad you were able to join me for this today. It's so incredibly beautiful. Look at that Japanese maple. I wish mine looked that good. So thank you so much for joining us, and hopefully you can come and see this place soon. Thanks, bye.